There are 4 things you must remember, my child. Never be greedy when the river is gold. Walk backwards when the night is cold. If your heart is black, you will be attacked. And finally, when you feel alone, remember your true home. These were the only instructions Princess Nanny was giving when her village was suddenly attacked. Nanny knew the journey would be hard, but she had no idea that this hike would make her question everything she knew, including the people she loved most. Throughout her trek, she met several who wanted to stop her: a mermaid with a golden table, a lady of the night, a black-hearted man, and the greatest trickster of them all. Will she conquer each feat, or will she, in her